Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk to you about where my weight is currently, problems on keto that I'm having, and hopefully if any of you are having it, then we can kind of help each other. So I've been having a problem on my scale. Now I don't know if it's my scale and my scale is broken or what. Currently the batteries in my scale are dead, and honestly I don't have the money to go buy a couple of AAA batteries. But before it went dead, I've been talking about, if you follow me on Instagram and even in a couple of my videos, I want to get a new scale. It's odd. When I'm at my boyfriend's house and I use his scale is always lower than mine. His scale actually moves, whereas mine since April has said that I'm 240, between 240 and 244, almost for 2 whole months. I know my clothes have gotten looser. I don't feel like I've gotten any bigger. I feel like I have gotten smaller. I bought a measuring tape, but I haven't really measured yet. So I'm going to start measuring and start recording once a week where my measurements are. I've been staying on track. Am I in ketosis? I think I'm in ketosis because I haven't eaten anything that has ingredients that normally would kick me. I ran out of Keto Mojo strips a long time ago, back in April, I think, the beginning of April, and I have not had the money to buy more. It's like $50, but for I think like 50 strips for ketones and glucose, I'm not sure, but I know it's like $50, so that's really crappy. I cannot afford that right now. Things are tight right now. I've got like $20 for the rest of the week. Yeah. But besides that, I just am so fed up with the scale. I've been drinking tons of water. I've been drinking my regular coffee in the morning that I always drink. I've been getting all my protein in. I've been not going over on my fats. I was under on my calories. I recently read an article saying that if you go too under on your calories, once you lose so much weight, your body doesn't want you to go into like a starvation mode. And so it kind of will become used to you running on this amount of calories, basically. So because your body is then used to you running on those calories, then it accepts that. And so your only choices are to drop your calories lower, which if you continue to do that, eventually your body is just not going to want to lose weight because you're going to be eating so few calories. And then what? Then, I mean, like you're going to be basically left with like nothing. So a few of the options that I read, in that case, I was eating like 1680 calories and I'm just not losing weight according to my scale. So my plan and action was I recalculated my macros and everything for my current weight and everything, which it's recommended that you do that every 30 days or every 10 pounds that you lose. And I recalculated everything, and my calorie intake is going to go up from that. It wants me to, let me just read you what it said it at. Okay, so it's put me at 1861 calories, 126 grams of protein, which I think I was down to like 97 grams of protein, 141 grams of fat, which I think I was at like 100 and like 13 or 14 grams of fat a day. I was at 21 carbs a day, but I wasn't always eating 21. I would usually stay around 19 or whatever, but it lowered my carbs down to 19, which I'm fine with that. And so that's where I'm sitting. Currently I didn't get up until like 11 today. So I had sort of a brunch, I guess you could call it. I made a large omelet, and it's now like 5:30 and I'm still not hungry, so I'm not going to eat. But I had 4 large eggs, I had a 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese, I had an ounce of Italian dry salami, I had 1 pork sausage patty, 3 cherry tomatoes, 2 medium green onions, 4 tablespoons of diced up portobello mushroom, 2 tablespoons of whole milk yogurt, and then I was trying out a MCT oil that I was sent, the Omega Power Creamer, and so I had 1 tablespoon in my regular coffee and then another coffee, because I was trying to just taste it in like a regular hot coffee and not an iced coffee. So I had 2 tablespoons of that. I had 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream all together between the 2 coffees, and then my regular scoop of my Physician's Choice collagen peptides. So I'm sitting at 10 net carbs, 103 grams of fat, and 58 grams of protein, and 1,204 calories for the day, and I'm not hungry at the least. If I do eat anything later, it'll be something that I meal prep, probably like a cheeseburger salad or something like that. But yeah, I just wanted to like kind of talk to you guys about stalls and resetting your macros and going through everything. Don't give up. Do not give up. This is how, even though I know that the scale is not moving that I know that my weight is coming off, because this, like, if I were to like hold, like, look at how my glasses are way too big for my head. They fall off constantly. Look at how big they are, and I need to bring them in to get adjusted or something, because my head was so big before, and even wearing these before, like, it was tight and I would get imprints. Now I don't even want to wear my glasses because it's so uncomfortable to wear them because they're so loose, and so it's really annoying. Besides that, getting a pair of size 18 jeans and them feeling loose on me, or the belt being able to go an extra loop, or just little things like that, or just looking at myself in the mirror and comparing myself to older pictures, which I'm also going to put up at the end of this video as some before and after pictures, so you can see what about 60 pounds lost looks like on somebody. Now keep in mind, I am 5'9", and I'm tall, so it all depends on what somebody's height is and how much their starting weight was, etc. Now if you're really overweight, like I was at almost 300 pounds, you're going to lose weight a lot quicker in the beginning, and then of course it will slow down. But if you are stalled, and a true stall is like at least 2 months, around there, where you've not lost anything, I would consider that a stall. If you've only not lost any weight in like 1 or 2 weeks, I don't consider that a stall. Your body could be gaining muscle, which is what mine could be doing as well, to be honest, because I've been walking more. Ever since I got my Fitbit, which was actually in April, I've been keeping track of how much movement I was doing. I've been walking the dog every day, been trying to get my 10,000 steps in every day. So I don't know, I just wanted to get on here and make a little video and kind of talk about where I'm at when I do finally get, I think I just really want to get a new scale. So probably in the next couple of weeks I will be doing that. I've had a lot of good recommendations from you guys about scales that you use, and I'd like to, I think I know what one I want. I got to get on Amazon and check it out. But besides that, I'm going to insert a video after me talking, kind of just showing you where my body is at. Besides for before and after pictures, just showing you, I'm in my workout gear today, and I'm just gonna kind of show you like what my body looks like. And I'm forcing myself to go outside in public in tank tops and shorts, and you know what, I don't care. I'm getting over it. It feels good to go out and just feel good about yourself. It really does. It feels good to feel good about yourself, and I feel good, and that's what matters, right? I'm doing everything right, and I'm trying to stay positive about it because I don't want to get in a dark place, because that's going to make me, that was my chair. It's very easy to go into a dark place when the scale isn't moving, but I can't say that I've not. A couple of times I've thought, what the hell is the point? Like, it's not even moving anyways. Maybe I should just do one of those things that I see people saying, like, let's carb up and just go eat a bunch of carbs and then start all over. I don't want to do that. I don't feel good when I do that. I don't feel good about myself when I do it. It might work for somebody else, but I don't want to do that. I'm not giving up. I'm gonna stick to it. I adjusted everything. This is day 2 of adjusting everything. I can't tell you if it worked because, again, my scale is a big pile of crap, and yeah, but I've rambled on long enough. I hope you guys are having a great week or weekend. Today is Saturday. No, I lied. Today is Sunday. I have to get to editing all of my videos, so this will come up probably like on a Wednesday or something. I'm not sure, but I hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are and whatever day of the week it is for you, and let's get to the before and after pictures. Hey guys, so okay, I wanted to just kind of show you like where my body is at. The scale is not moving for me, but my body is going down. So I think my scale is broken. I'm not sure, but my clothes are fitting better. This shirt is a 3X. I got it because I wanted the tank top to be big, because like I'm wearing it with a sports bra. So I wanted it to be big, but okay. So even though the scale is not moving, clothes are getting looser. I recently, I knew I was in a size 18. So I had bought some size 18 pants. Now I constantly have to pull these up, and they don't have belt loops. So I'm constantly pulling them up. They do not fit me. I bought a pair of exercise pants. Now, these exercise pants are a 2X and they fit me okay. I had bought a pair of exercise pants from Meyer, and the crotch like comes so far down. I keep pulling them up. They are way too big. I also bought a 2X shirt from there, and the shirt, like the tank top, like comes out so far right here. But when I look at this, like this is a 3X. So if this is supposed to be like a form-fitting tank top, it definitely is not. So I kind of just want to do these videos every once in a while to show where my progress is. My legs definitely look and just like seem like they're getting smaller, like in the thigh area. I got a measuring tape. I'm going to start recording my measurements. I haven't started doing that yet. My waist, I don't know. Sometimes I look down and I'm like, ugh, and I push it out and it feels so much bigger. Of course, I have the pooch. These pants do an alright job of holding it all in. I don't know. Can't even see my belly button. There it is. But yeah. This is what my body is looking like right now. I am still, I don't know, my scale every day says 241 and sometimes 242, and it doesn't matter what I eat the one day or what I don't eat the one day. It constantly only stays in those 3 sizes. So I don't know what's going on with it. I don't have the money to buy a new scale right now. So until I do, I'm just going to have to rely on measurements and just make sure that I'm eating everything correctly.